Ever wonder what goes on behind the scenes when you apply for a loan or a new apartment? There's a whole world of credit reporting agencies working tirelessly to assess your financial health. One of the big three in the US is Equifax, and they play a crucial role in shaping your financial future. But have you ever stopped to think, what information does Equifax actually need from you? The answer might surprise you. Unlike applying for a credit card where you fill out a lengthy form, Equifax itself doesn't directly collect information from you. Instead, they build a profile based on data reported by creditors and lenders you've interacted with. So, what kind of data are we talking about? Let's dive in. The building blocks: personal information. The foundation of your Equifax report starts with basic personal details. This includes your full name, date of birth, social security number, SSN, and current and past addresses. Now, your SSN is a big deal. It acts as a unique identifier that links all your financial activity together. Equifax uses this to match the reported data with the correct person. Employment and income. Next up, Equifax tries to understand your financial capacity. They gather information about your current and past employers, your job title, if reported, and sometimes even your salary range. This data can come from various sources, including tax records reported by the IRS or directly from your employer during a credit check. Public records. Equifax also taps into public records to paint a broader picture. This might include details like bankruptcies you filed, court judgments against you, owe money due to a legal ruling, tax liens, government claims on your property due to unpaid taxes. It's important to remember that public records are just that, public. However, Equifax can only include information that meets specific legal criteria and time frames. The credit heavy lifters, your accounts. Now, we get to the heart of the matter, your credit accounts. This is where Equifax truly shines a light on your financial behavior. They collect information from lenders and creditors you've done business with, including credit card companies, mortgage lenders, auto loan providers, student loan servicers, utility companies. The data reported by these institutions paints a detailed picture of your creditworthiness. It includes details like the type of account, credit card, loan, etc. Account opening and closing dates. Credit limits. Current balance. Payment history, on-time payments, late payments, missed payments. Beyond the basics, the not-so-obvious. While the core data points are crucial, Equifax might also consider some less obvious factors. This could include public inquiries. These are instances when a credit check is pulled on you, e.g., applying for a new apartment. Multiple inquiries in a short period can raise a red flag for lenders. Credit utilization ratio. This is the percentage of your credit limit you're currently using. A high ratio indicates you might be overextending yourself financially. Understanding why Equifax needs this information. So, why does Equifax collect all this data? Simply put, it's all about creating a comprehensive picture of your financial responsibility. Lenders use your Equifax report to assess the risk of lending you money. A good credit report with a strong history of on-time payments and responsible credit usage will make you a more attractive borrower and potentially qualify you for better interest rates. Protecting your information, your rights. It's important to remember that under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, you have the right to access your Equifax report for free once a year. You should review it regularly to ensure all the information is accurate and up to date. If you find any errors, you have the right to dispute them with Equifax. They are legally obligated to investigate any disputes you file. The takeaway: knowledge is power. By understanding what information Equifax collects and why, you can take control of your financial future. Monitor your report regularly, dispute any errors promptly, and practice responsible credit habits. Remember, your Equifax report is a crucial piece of your financial identity. Take charge and make sure it accurately reflects your financial responsibility. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.